No need to dial for takeout. We're making sesame chicken. Jasmine rice adds a nice depth of flavor as it's nice and floral. Get that rice rinsed nice and good until the water's clear into a rice cooker to let that go while we're prepping the rest of the stuff for this meal. Grabbing the effing sharp Santoku knife, getting through some boneless, skinless chicken thighs until they're even pieces. Then we're going down into our batter / marinade. Let that sit for about 20 minutes. While that's hanging out and that rice is done, we'll grab the effing sharp paring knife and make some diagonal slices right through some scallions. That's going to add a mild onion flavor, a little pop of color at the end. When frying up your chicken pieces, make sure to work in batches. Don't overcrowd that pan. Once that is golden brown, we're going to set those off to the side to drain a bit. Get started in our sauce. Once that's reduced and thickened up nice, we'll add the chicken back to the pan, toss to coat very well, and then we'll serve it up over that nice fluffy rice, garnish it, and enjoy. And you make sure to check out fnsharp.com.